This is the Wall Professional Animal Arco Pet Cordless Clipper Set. Comes with 2 batteries, so you can be using one and charging one at the same time. It also comes with oil and a brush to get all the hair out. And on the unit itself, it has 5 different settings here for the lengths of clipper. And it comes with 4 guard lengths that you just slide on and slide right back off. And it comes with a manual and a bag with pockets to put everything in.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.